Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix we have run into a problem. Please try again later in Apple ID. If you are trying to create a new Apple ID and you're having an issue that you see a pop-up message that you have run into a problem, please try again later. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to double check your network connection because sometimes it may happen due to weak network connection. So you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular. And after doing that, you have to open your settings and then go for general, go for VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after that, you have to go for date and time, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set date and time automatically. So after doing that, if your problem is still not fixed, so you just have to go to software updates and you have to make sure that your system is up to date. There's no any pending software update. So after doing that, you have to go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Enter your passcode and select reset network setting in the confirmation message pop-up, and after that all of your network setting will be reset, so it will be fixed in this step. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to try to make a first restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes to black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed, and after that you will not get the issue again. You just have to try again one time, so you will not get the same issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.